Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Spirit Halloween 2017 Creepy Towering Clown. I already unboxed some of it, so I'm just going to get the rest out. Okay. Oh my gosh. Here's the chest piece. Oh my. The hands. Okay. Got the mechanism of. Well, I got the shoes. They fit good on me. Oh my god. Well, here we got the mechanism. Oh my gosh. We got the head. Just so you guys can see the head up close, this is the head. It looks so cool. Okay, let's put that down. We got his backbone. We got the base. The instructions. Okay, we got his collar. It came with the step pad. Okay, another leg piece.